Phil. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to review the Rode Wireless Pro mics. Your audio is so important to your video, and a lot of people overlook it. A lot of times, I'll set up a Rode NTG1, which is a smaller boom mic, and it's a big hassle. You need a preamp for it. It's a lot to carry around for run and gun stuff like this. Rode recently came out with the Wireless Go mics, and they've been great, but they were missing one key feature. At 32-bit float. So 32-bit float, if you don't know what that is, it just means we have an extra 1000 dB of gain. You can scream into the mic, I can yell, I can talk really quietly, it doesn't matter. It's basically raw audio. If it's way too loud, it's not gonna clip. You can fix it, you can bring it down. You don't have to worry as much about your audio as you would with a 24-bit audio. I got the Rode Wireless Pro 2 kit, came with two different mics, two different lavaliers, and the receiver. Right now I'm wearing the setup with the lavalier mic because I don't like seeing the big bulky square resting on somebody's chest because they just clipped it on. In that kit you get two different transceivers and one receiver. It comes with all the different cables, the USB-C to Lightning, USB-C to C, and a longer USB-C so you can charge your case. Speaking of which, the case that it comes in is also your charger. I just got them in today, so I'm really excited to see what all I can do with them. I'm wanting to create some more content, and what has always stopped me is lugging around a ton of gear, and it's just a pain to set up, and it really just kind of puts a cramp on what I want to do. So being able to set up really fast, throw my camera on, throw these mics on, and go is a huge plus. The one key feature that sold it for me for these mics is the onboard 32-bit recording. I can't tell you the number of times I've clipped on a mic and I've had audio dropouts from a wireless signal, and it may not have been the strongest signal at the time, and there's no way to change it in the moment. We had a wedding where we got constant audio dropouts, and basically the audio was not usable. I felt horrible about it. I lost sleep over it. I burp every single time I think about it. So having redundant recordings on the camera and on the actual transceiver is a huge plus. I've always liked how the Rode NTG mics sound. They're not super boomy like the Sonys or the Hollylands or anything like that. And this mic sounds pretty similar to those. From what I understand, these mics have a 7-hour battery life, and the case will charge them up 3 times, so you get 21 hours of recording. When they came in, I took them out of the box, they had about 75% battery life. I plugged them into my computer to do the firmware updates, and in that 15 minutes, it charged to 100%. So if you're doing an all-day shoot and you need all-day battery life, you can literally charge these things up on your lunch break and be good for the rest of the day. Anyway, this was a quick overview of the Rode Wireless Mic Pro, and I'm gonna try to do a lot more content with it and use it on some actual jobs, and I'll let you know how that goes. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.